how to connect your bank account to Kucoin. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your bank account to Kucoin. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to the buy crypto section. Over here, click on fast trade and select what you want to buy. Then where it says pay with, click on easy bank transfer or regular bank transfer and then just fill in your bank account details and pay for it. After that, if you want to buy P2P with your bank account, go to buy crypto again, then click on P2P. Right here, click on more, go to payment settings and click on add. Then where it says payment methods, select bank, enter your bank account details and click on complete. Now your bank account is linked to P2P. Then if you want to withdraw money from Kucoin to your bank account, go to assets, click deposit, then select withdraw and click on withdraw fiat. Over here, select your currency, for example euro, then select one of the bank options and just fill in your bank account details to complete the process. So that's how you can connect your bank account to Kucoin. That's all for this video.